how to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you doing it. So let's take you in a step-by-step tutorial of how you can do that. So first of all, open your favorite browser, if it's Google Chrome or Brave or any other browser you'd like to use. Then go to the search and type Google Maps. Then go to the search of Google Maps and type the United States. That's the country we're going to work on, because the United States is the best market you can apply this method in. Then we're going to zoom in on the United States. So here, let's zoom in on the states. Here, let's go to, for example, Michigan. Let's choose Michigan for today's explanation or today's tutorial. And here, let's choose a city. Let's choose Michigan as the city we're going to work on. And here, let's go to the search and let's type any kind of small business we'd like to work on. For example, let's choose plumbers. Here, plumber, and let's see how many plumbers we can find in this area. So here, these are all the plumbers that all the plumbers that we can find in this area. As you can see, we have Pure Plumbing LLC, and we have a lot of profiles in here. So guys, in order to find the perfect prospects for this method, you will need to check the profiles. First thing you will need to look for is the profiles that has less than 100 reviews, and also the profiles that doesn't have a sponsored written in top of the profile, like this one, for example, Pure Plumbing LLC. This is the best prospect we can tie the method on. So here, let's click on his profile, and first let's check the website, if it's old or if it needs any renovation. We can do that for them. So here, let's wait for it to load. So here, looking for plumbers near me. So I think it seems the website seems like it doesn't need any renovation. As you can see, the icons are up to date. Everything is up to date in these plumbers website, so they won't need any renovation services. So let's proceed to the next service, which is checking if they have any bad reviews, so we can offer them the service of removing the bad reviews. So here, let's see if we can find bad reviews. So this is the first bad review that we have encountered. Called requesting urgent service due to a leak in our system after spending 3 days without water. Logan never returned my call. Due to this, I was forced to put the kids in the car and return home to Kansas. First trip to our new cabin ruined. Correction, owner, it was I that called you 3 hours after my initial call, asking if you were ever going to reach out. Yes, I did. Later discover that you did leave a message, but I had no record of you calling. Perhaps if a caller is asking for something that's urgent, leaving a message is inadequate. A follow-up call could be useful. I also reached out today to give them a chance. They were displeased with my review and wanted me to take it down. Nope, not happening. Removing a star just for this. So this is a very bad review. As you can see, the owners are very eager to remove the review from here. As you can see, they've asked Matthew to remove the review from the profile, but he won't remove it. And this is the response of the owner. Sorry for your displeasure with our service. From our records, we contacted you within a little over an hour, and we left a voicemail with you at the time. So as you can see, this is a bad review that the owner would like to remove. So that gives us an opportunity to reach out to them and offer them our service, which is removing this bad review from their profile. So we can do that for them, and it will be easier to convince them because they are already looking to remove the review from their profile. So it would be easier to convince them to work with us. So you just need to go to their website to look for their social media accounts to reach out to them. So here, let's scroll down to see if we can find an email or a social media account. So let's scroll down. We have contact here, we have their Facebook. So that's where we can, it's taking us again to their website. So I think we can go to their email. This is their email, so we can leave them an email in the emailing them saying that we can remove the bad review that Thomas has left in their profile, and we can also check if there are other bad reviews that they would want to get rid of. So here, let's click on more reviews to see if we can find any other bad review. Let's scroll down and let's keep scrolling. 5-star, because with the help of bad reviews you can just take a screenshot and include them in the email you're going to send them, with the pitch of course, saying that you can remove this bad review from their profile. And this kind of reviews can cause in losing a lot of money by losing clients. This is another bad review. They are less than 20 minutes from where I live, and we need them as we have frozen pipes and it was an emergency. That plus there is other people within these reviews that claim they've came out to the EVAT area, which is further away than us, and they claim to serve the Midland area, which is much further away than us. So I don't understand if it's just laziness that they told us we're too far away or what, but either way I wanted to let others know. So this is another bad review. So all you need to gather all of these bad reviews, take a screenshot of them, and then use them to convince the business owners to purchase your service. And you can offer the service for $100 to $200, and you can just go to fiverr.com to find freelancers that can do that service. Instead of you doing it yourself, they can do it for you for just $25, and with that you will be gained $175 without doing anything or without learning any skill. As you can see, this one will do that service for $25. So I think guys you get the idea. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.